And putting the cabling back on a SATA drive, your cable will also always have the yellow cable is your power. That's always universally on the outside of the device. So it'll be on the farther end. So this is where I would plug it in here. Okay, as you can see, it's on the outside of the device. Okay, and then you have your data cable connected next to it. Sometimes you got to make sure you get it in the right way. Okay, they only really go in one way. And once you get those connected in there, and you have all your cables put back in, then you go power your computer back up. And on the screen here, I got to turn the monitor back on. If everything's working, you should get the computer back up and running. Okay, so it's going through the BIOS right now. And when this gets done, it should go to the Windows screen. There we go. It's going to go through that. So Windows startup. There we go. Back in. Okay, so I just got to log in. And I'm back up.